Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with simple shapes to control proportion. Draw a circle for the head and an oval for the body that overlaps slightly so the dog reads as one figure. Once done, add a vertical and horizontal center line on the head to place eyes and nose accurately. This prevents a lopsided face later. Finally, sketch 4 light guidelines for the legs and a curved tail line to set motion. This saves time when you refine anatomy. Now refine those guides into anatomy. Reshape the head circle into a skull and add a tapered rectangle for the muzzle so the snout has volume and direction. Next, define joints with small circles at shoulders, elbows, hips, and knees, then connect them with cylindrical limbs to establish thickness and posture. Once the structure is solid, place eyes, nose, and ear shapes using your center lines. Make sure to adjust ear style to suggest breed or expression, which sells the character. To finish, erase construction marks and darken confident contours. Add short fur strokes where planes change. This suggests texture without clutter. Then shade under the belly, behind legs, and beneath the chin to sell three-dimensional form. Soft strokes and varied pressure keep it natural. If something looks off, flip the canvas or view in a mirror to check the silhouette. This quick troubleshooting trick reveals proportion errors so you can nudge the head, leg length, or tail until the pose reads correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.